welcome back to my channel. Today is a lovely day for my Boxy charm unboxing. So I'm wanting to do like a little series of Boxy charm. If you don't know what Boxy charm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription. I believe it's $21. You get either makeup, you do get skincare as well, and occasionally you will get some hair care. Mainly their focus though is makeup and skincare. I love it. I have been doing it for many years. I also bounced back between Ipsy and Boxy charm, but I finally made like the final decision to just stick with Boxy charm. It's a better price point, I feel like, for the stuff that you get. So it's $21 and each box is usually over $100. So I think that's bomb. And the other thing really good about it is that they're all full-size products. So if you're like getting into makeup, or if you are already like a makeup person, a big makeup person like I am, Boxy charm is like your best friend. So without further ado, because this is like the longest intro ever, Kayla, shut up. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Black box, says Boxy charm on it. And usually, so last month I didn't get a card, and I was like kind of like annoyed, because I like to know like my price points of what products I get, and I like to have like the additional information on the products. And last month they didn't provide one, but bless this month they did. The theme is the Oasis, so I'm really excited to dive into this box. What I will also be doing is reading out like what the product's like description is out on the card. So it's going to be a little bit more educational for you in case you want to try out the products that I received in my box. So the first product that I see is this guy right here. It is Livido, inspired by nature. It's age away replenishing cream. It looks like it's a like Korean brand, or not Korean, I think, I'm not sure. It's this right here, this language. Maybe I'm like stupid, I don't know what language that is. It says it's for dry and mature skin. I have very dry skin. Occasionally during like summertime I get more dry, or you know, wintertime, my skin's a mess. It will go from like one extreme to the other. Anyways, so this has grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. I never knew what melissa, I don't know what melissa is. On the card, it says Livido Age Away Replenishing Cream, made with 11 innovative organic plant actives. This anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture, while it deeply nourishes mature skin. This thing, costs $69. I believe it's the highest price point product that I have in my box. I'm personally excited to try this out. So it says that it's for mature skin. I'm in my 20s, so I don't think I'm considered mature skin. I'm like not baby, but like not old or like matured skin. But I feel like I will still want to try this out, because I have been wanting to try a cream that is for mature skin, because I feel like those have like the most benefits inside of it. So I'm really excited. The second product that I got was this guy. This is a staple in my collection. I'm honestly really excited that I have another one of these now. This is the Benefit Professional. This is the Benefit Professional Primer. If you haven't tried this, sis, what is you doing? I love this. This is really good for pores. Honestly, any skin type can do it. So if you're oily, dry, combo, you can really pretty much get away with it. I absolutely love this. This is probably one of my all-time favorites, like I said. The next product that I got is this guy right here. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I think I've seen this brand at Sephora. if I'm not mistaken. I've never tried the brand though, so I'm really excited to try this. On my little information card, it says, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Wow, Kayla, I can't read today. I'm sorry. This is what I need. I'm excited to really try this. I want to smell it. Hold on. So let's open it up. So this is the cutest little packaging thing. I'm a sucker for packaging. Like, I will literally buy a product just for the package, maybe like once in a while. It's sad. Okay. All right. And it looks like that. It has one of these little peel things. Ooh. This smells really good. I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. There's this, I feel like there's another cream or lotion that I use that smells exactly like this, but I can't really think of what it is. I don't know. I swear, like, it will come to me one day in the near future, hopefully. So the next thing that I got was these. And this is the Beauty Vault Circadian, I think. Circadian Lip Liner Trio. Our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides on and blends easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing. This guy retails for $18. Honestly, I'm excited for this. I love lips. Oh my. It's sad and it's bad all at the same time. I love lips. I actually don't have that many lip liners. I've been actually wanting to get a few more. So I'm really happy that I got these. I want to do a little swatch. Ooh. Okay, so this liner is called Natty Nat. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very pretty. I like the color a lot. This one is called Bow Babe. Ooh. Oh yes, here's a nude, pretty much. Stunning. And then the last one is called Cozy Kira, I think. Oh, this is, okay, this is more of a nude. Ooh, yes.
Yes.
So the last thing that I'm really excited about is this. I love palettes. I have a trillion palettes probably. This is from Zoeva, and it says it's the Heritage Eyeshadow Palette. I do love Zoeva's palettes. I have, I think, two of them. I have the Caramel, I think it's called, and the Mocha. Love them. I think they're absolutely stunning. I have never seen this one before. I don't know if it's new. I haven't even seen it like anywhere, like on Ulta, Sephora, or anything like that. So I'm really excited. Let's see. Oh, bless. You're gonna hear me say bless probably at least 10,000 times in my videos. Another thing that you will probably hear me say, and everyone at my work hears me say it all the time, is God bless America. I don't know why. It's just a thing that is like, God bless America. Like, you know, you just have those lines that you just randomly say without even thinking about it. Those are my two. So this is what the palette looks like. It is stunning. Oh my sweet baby Jesus. I love this. So there is 5 matte shades, and then you also get like 5 shimmery / like glittery shades. This shade, this purple one, looks beautiful. And I think it's called Euphoric. Oh, I'm really excited to dive into this palette. Like I want to swatch it now. So let's do a little swatchy. Okay. Oh,
this might answer your question. According to Wikipedia,
Alexa, please stop. I'm sorry. So this is what the shade looks like on the finger. And then let's swatch it. Okay. I kind of like it. It's different. I don't think I really have a shade like this. So it has like a bluish black, or not bluish, sorry, a purplish undertone black with like purple sparkles. I like it. Like I don't think I have something like this, to be honest. And then let's swatch. Oh, I want to swatch this guy. This is Monument. And it looks like that. So let's see. Oh, yes. This is Monument right here. And then the last shade I want to swatch is Marble Statues. It's like a gold. That's what that looks like. Swatch it. Right here. They are really pigmented. The glitters are really, really pigmented. Absolutely love them. Can't wait to get my hands in them. Or, you know, my brushes. Alright guys, so that concludes my video. I hope you really liked it. Hit that subscribe button right down below. Leave a comment and giving me ideas for my next video. And leave a big ol' thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!